Another day of jog run. Alright, malayo-layo pa. Ayan eh. Nipawin 58. Kudate 49. Alright. Passing Canola Farm. Alright. Good morning mga kakikoy ko. I did run 7.43 kilometer. So when I left my house, Charlie was on the window. Now I'm home back. He's still there. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, kauwi ko lang no. Galing nag-jogging. Naka 7.43 kilometer. Oh my God! Wow! Yan. Oh no! Diba? Keep on watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kiko YouTube TV. And my second channel, Bulan ng Canadian Vlog. And to all my members, please visit their channel on my link description down below. On their link, it's on my description down below. Bye bye. Thank you.